I am very much assuring you that if you follow me, there is a word if. I am not saying that you will definitely speak in English. It may happen that from tomorrow you are not coming. হতেই পারে কালকে থেকে তুমি আসছো না এখানে পড়তে. It may happen. So I can't tell like this way that you will definitely learn within 15 days. And you are not doing your homework at your home, so that is why you are not able to express yourself. So I can't say like this, nah. So that's the main thing. Just follow my path, you will definitely gain. And now I am changing the topic about English language. Oh yes, what is this class? This class is the motivational একটা স্পিচ দিচ্ছে বক্তব্য, একটা কি ন্যারেশন বক্তব্য করেছিস তো? He is going to give a narration. American normal British. He is going to give a narration. British. আর বাংলিশ মানে আমরা বাংলা মানে বাংলিশ মানে বাংলাদেশের যারা ইংলিশ